feels I think I need to address. However, I just do so now. My girl, you get up in a bumper rascal group chat, forget to look forward and hype and come on this Ashley rascal granters. Or you don't know nothing about me. You don't know people them come from. You know not at all, my girl. You see me? And you say come get up and just call me a whore just so. Because I'm man. First and foremost, when I fight over man, when I cuss over bumper rascal man terror, because that's one thing with a blood clot shatter. You see what I say? My only answer is where's no right now because I come past your fucking black ass plate and come talk about Ashley and or. My girl, I know your bumper clock man of this. See? Don't even do it again, Tara. I know your mama this, my girl. You see what I say? You don't just get up in a fucking group chat, go like you know somebody and come diss the person as or. You see me? Don't do them fuckery there. And you come talk about how I am so frightened over your man this thing. And you come send the boys and talk about how, yo, you're not a fucking clown. In case you never know, let me enlighten you, look a dirty black ass. You're obviously a fucking rascal clown. Forget up in the first place and talk about you're there with this thing. See? When this thing I give you ball left, right and blood clot center, you're just a little nasty whoring ex who wants back this thing's ass. See? And you come talk about how me want your man. I just your pussy a hold this thing, my girl. And the fact say you choke on him body. See? I just not a hold him. Those no man, I don't wanna feel like saying nothing else a hold this thing. I can't take a man with just one smile. I just treat no worth it. You see what I say? You need for ease out. And you don't know who the fuck you deal with, Tara. You can't get up and come call somebody a whore, so you boost the blood clot fucking at the group chat from early, you know. I say, yo, Tara, easy and stop coming fucking rascal name. And you still live for me name in the blood clot group chat like you just a forward you live off for. My girl, you need for easy and calm down yourself, cause you don't know who the fuck you deal with. Baby love, them not call me crazy for nothing. I'm a mad bumper rascal piece of parrot girl. Don't fuck with me. You see what I say? And in fact, let me just cut the voice note here short. Because I'm gonna do one bag of chatting behind a device. Me'll fuck you up in person, but that's your bumper rascal look for. You see what I say? Now somebody pass your place with me again, you come call me or, but I don't want you to look or them who have chat like Ashley this. Yo, my girl, I know your mama is gonna fuck your blood clot movie, but that you want here. Don't fuck with me, Tara. You don't know people, them, you don't know where I come from. Don't fuck with me at all. And this thing, I'm not gonna diss you like Tara, you know. You see what I say? All me I say is, you just need to tell your little female dog to ease yourself more well, because last night, she really did back too much. You see me? You need to tell me a little bitch them. Or you look a warring bitch with a stretch out pussy. You need to tell her to just ease yourself. See? Mark, I'ma take on your case. You go and tell everybody say you fuck out Ashley. My youth, man, even hug you 2 times in my life before. So how the fuck you fuck me? Clearly I fantasize. And first of all, you need to come off a Daniel McCullough name. You see it, boy, or you fuck her and rule the reign. Go fuck your mother. You see what I say? Just, yo, I don't want nobody in that group here fuck with me. Cause anyone see somebody in person, but honest I go fuck up the person. Honestly, I swear to bumble clock God. We just need to easy more while and stop boost fuckery. And anybody else in your own like me, that's a full of blood clot business. And anybody else who depend Daniel McCullough name or who not like her, go chuck to the mother too. You see what I'm saying? Gonna take me as like a light person. You see you, Tara Ibanks, come and call me or man, even not gonna send no threat. But just blood clot no say this not done yet, so you're my girl. You all gonna get fucked up. I swear to you.